That GBR file speaks the language of PCB manufacturing. It's a Gerber layout file containing the precise fabrication data needed to produce printed circuit boards. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, edit, or validate these industry-standard fabrication files. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier GBR file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. GBR files are Gerber format files used universally in printed circuit board manufacturing. They contain 2D vector image data describing individual PCB layers including copper traces, solder mask silkscreen, and drill locations using the RS-274X extended Gerber specification. Gerber GBR files use ASCII-encoded RS-274X format with embedded aperture definitions and decode commands describing geometric primitives. Each file represents a single PCB layer using flash draw and region commands with coordinate data in metric or imperial units. This GBR file is designed specifically for the developer tool Altium Designer by Altium Limited. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows provides minimal previews, while editing capabilities require a robust design application. Go ahead and right-click your GBR file, then choose Open With. Try Altium Designer if it's an option. If it's not, just select another program. This trial and error process is standard for tricky files. If your GBR file is not opening yet, that is normal. We're dealing with a highly specific GBR file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, viewing the files. Install the free KiCad Gerber Viewer, or GC-Prevue, to open and inspect GBR files. Load all layer files simultaneously to see the complete PCB stackup. Use layer toggle controls to inspect individual copper solder mask and silkscreen layers independently. Next, validating for manufacturing. Upload your GBR files to your PCB manufacturer's online DFM design for manufacturability checker. Tools like JLC PCB or PCBWay Gerber viewers validate trace widths, clearances, drill sizes, and layer alignment before ordering to catch errors before fabrication begins. Finally, editing Gerber files. While Gerber files are typically generated from EDA tools like KiCad or Altium Minor Edits, can be made using Gerber Editor or Pentalogic's CamMaster. For significant design changes, always modify the source PCB project file and regenerate fresh Gerber outputs for manufacturing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.